శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం తృతీయ స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vidura heard from Maitreya about Varahaswami's story, Harehe Katham Karanasukaratmanaha. Vidura heard Varahaswami's divine story from Maitreya. But Vidura was not satisfied. He wanted to listen to more and more about Varahaswami. And now Vidura tam Vudyatanjalihi, he folded his both hands, lifted his both hands and doing Namaskaram to Maitreya and requesting like this. O Maitreya, I heard that Varahaswami killed Hiranyaksha. But I didn't know that when Varahaswami was lifting Bhudevi, at that time Hiranyaksha attacked Varahaswami, and that is when they both fought each other. Can you please tell me in detail about that war? How did that fight go and how did they fight each other? When Vidura asked like that, Maitreya felt very happy about the amount of devotion Vidura has. And Maitreya, while appreciating Vidura for his devotion, saying that, Oh Vidura, very good question you asked. All the stories, divine stories related to Sriman Narayana are enough powerful to throw away death. You know what? Sometime back, Uttanapada's son Dhruva, he heard Paramatma's stories. Because of that power, Dhruva could put his feet on death. To that extent he became powerful, and then Aruroha Hare Padam, he reached Paramapadam. O Vidura, I heard a story from Chaturmukha Brahma. While he was telling this story to Devatas, I heard that. Now I am going to tell you that story. Sometime back there used to be Diti. She is the daughter of Daksha Prajapati, and she is the wife of Kasyapa, and she wanted to get children. To get the children, she approached Kasyapa. That was Sandhya Samayam. At that time, Kasyapa was sitting in Yajnasala. He just finished his Agnikaryam and his Sandhya Vandanam, and he also was in meditation, Dhyanam of Paramapurusha Sriman Narayana, and he did Aradhana to Sriman Narayana. So when he was sitting in his Yajnasala in that Sandhya Samayam, Diti approached Kasyapa. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.